Welcome, today in front of me Realme C31, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder, and after that launch the Gmail application. Now just click here on the right upper corner and you'll see here that we are logged in into 2 accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from this account, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So just to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device. And now just for example, we can find these 2 accounts, and for example to log out from the first one, click here and tap to remove account and confirm your actions by click again to remove account button. And as can you see, in Google account settings we stay only with 1 account, and now we'll go back again into the application, and here as can you see we stay in our app also with only 1 account. So that's it. Thank you for watching how to log out from Gmail account on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.